Hey everyone, Dave Cook here with Daniel. We're in another room in the Winnetka that we are doing this Kraven wallpaper install. I got the label on the box. We can get you the design on that you need to. But just did the powder bathroom. And so it goes from this wall, wraps around, and then inside where the toilet area is also. So you had some help yesterday. So how was this paper to install?
This one's a lot easier.
Easier than what?
Easier than the one I've described in the Winnetka job. So this one is going to be an apply on the paper instead of applying to the wall.
Applying paste?
What's that?
Applying the paste, you mean?
Yeah, applying the paste, yes. Paste it on the back of the sheet and it becomes kind of like nice and soft where it's easy to work with and flex. It doesn't want to rip too much. But if you do tend to over paste it, it can easily shred. Becomes wet like a piece of notebook paper. I've had that happen a couple times, but otherwise, do the right amount of glue and everything.
You know what kind of primer you used?
That draw tight.
Nice. And then we used, paste was Dynamite 234?
234.
How was it for seaming?
The seams, flawless as well. Not a lot of stretching with this paper, not a lot of shrinkage. It held in.
Nice.
Held in nice and tight.
All right, well, nice job, Daniel. So there's another picture of it real quick, just kind of a feature wall so you can see what it looks like. If you got questions about wallpaper installations, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. God bless.